Okay, folks, I'm back again. Today I'm do a little comparison for you. I'm gonna do a Mama Noodles again, this brand over here. And notice how the package is very similar. Even the what's inside looks very similar as well. But it is both the same brand, and they're both called Clear Noodle Soup. But the big difference is the noodles itself. Today I'm actually gonna make this one, which is the thicker noodle. Kind of reminds me of like wonton soup. I've already started the hot water. So I use a hot water kettle to make my soups. So this one, like that. Kind of neat. Normally, I would put the ingredients in with it and then put the hot water on, but just because I'm kind of curious what these noodles will turn out like from just the water kettle. So I'm gonna put the water on it now. Cover that up. And while that's going, I have a feeling this is gonna take a lot longer than normal. My usual instant noodle packets are those brown wheat noodles that's been, well, first of all, let me backtrack a little bit. Most of these instant noodles were already cooked and then they got dehydrated for shipping. So make things light, makes things more production ready. And so all essentially what I'm doing is rehydrating the noodles. In some cases you would use a pot, boiling pot, but I feel like it's not necessary because again, you're just rehydrating the noodles. See, it's already starting to work. But anyways, while it's doing that, let's check this one out. Just want to show you the difference. So, wow, even the packets are actually almost identical. Sorry. So this is from this one. Let's see, it's from this one, and then this is from the other one. So they are identical packaging. Identical seasonings and oils. But the big difference is this one has the thin noodles. It even says full on it. Kind of neat. And this definitely hydrates much faster compared to this one. Let me just check. What has it been, a minute? Let me use my fingers. See how hot that is. Ooh, that is hot. So I'll leave that a little longer. I'm not going to make these. I actually made this in a different video already. You can try to find that one. It should probably be under Mama Pho. That's what we labeled that if you wanted to see that. While we're waiting, both packets are made out of rice noodles. Unlike the other instant noodles, they're usually made out of wheat. Hence also the brown color, I believe. And today I actually had air fried pork. I'm sorry, it was glazed oyster sauce with Thai chilies, crushed Thai chilies, air fried. Cooked it only to medium. I didn't cook it all the way. Still kind of slightly pink in there. I know some of you are frown upon that, but in this case it'll be fine. It's gonna go into super boiling hot water. And of course, cilantro. And fresh Thai chilies, which I actually sometimes eat plain or I eat with dipping it into shrimp paste. And again, my mother's homegrown Thai chilies that's been dried out and sauteed on with olive oil. It's fantastic. Let's check this out. So it's been quite some time. Huh? I'm gonna check again with my fingers. Oh yeah, that's plenty soft enough for me. Cool. So we'll go ahead and add the packets. Here's the oil packet. It looks like it's pretty evenly distributed. I normally would cut these, but in this particular case, I'm just gonna tear it. Even the oil packets has a beautiful smell to it. So it's very common that these instant noodles come like this. There's two sides to it. This is most likely going to be the salt herb seasoning, garlicky perhaps, and this is going to be predominantly looking like this. Just for the convenience, I'm gonna push it all on one side. I'm just gonna cut it, much easier. Oh, it smells great. I can smell it already. Here it is. Toss that out. Get pork in there. I'm gonna add just a little bit more boiling water on top, just make sure that the pork gets cooked well. And there it is. And notice that we use stems as well. Let's take a look. If you can smell this, this is amazing. Pretty light lunch. And there you have it.